What is up, YouTube?
Hi guys, we are back with Subway.
We're trying their new fiery meatball sub, which sounds pretty hot, honestly, as in spicy. And this is part of their new signature whatever sub menus. They're more expensive subs. Their Subway series.
Yeah.
And I'd never seen the fiery meatball. I've actually never heard of. You ever heard of a spicy meatball sub? Maybe I have, but the thing about this that I really am interested in is it's made with ghost pepper bread. Oh,
and
wow.
it has jalapenos and
A ton of sriracha sauce.
Oh yeah.
And 2 times the amount of pepper jack cheese. So it's got like 4 things going for it for spice level.
It's gonna be messy.
Do you want to take this part? And then I'll use just the big part. And you can take this if you want. Some of that fall off. A lot of crumbs. Nice. So the actual
I'm like, what's the open side?
The actual bread has jalapenos stuck into it. I don't know if you can show it with yours or I can.
Oh, I think I just took the one off of mine, but yeah, it was this little jalapeno here.
It's literally stuck into the side.
Kind of like a jalapeno cheddar bagel.
Yeah. Just trying to balance all this because the bread's like got little flakes of what I'm assuming is like the ghost pepper, like flakes. Okay. Is that what this is?
Wasn't it like the crunch or whatever?
Oh, does that have
Sub
the
crunch?
It might have that on it too, but
Can't
actually
really
looks
see
really
much,
juicy.
but...
Yeah. Ready? There's a huge jalapeno right here for me, so
Mine
first
too.
bite. Let's go.
Oh yeah. Can taste the sriracha.
So it looks like majority of sriracha is on the top of the sub where it was cut.
That's all I can taste sriracha.
The marinara is good, like always. What's it called, man? Got a jalapeno.
Huh. Oh shit.
Spicy or just actually physically hot?
Physically hot.
Mm-hmm.
I got a whole meatball.
Oh, it's so good though. The meatball's
It
so
is.
good. See a meatball in there? I'm not holding it too close because the bread is just like flaking apart. Yeah. And I don't think I can balance the. Yeah, nice. I got a piece of.
There's pepperoni.
Yeah, pepperoni. Oh, that's what I forgot. There's pepperoni in there too.
Jalapeno. It's like so hard to eat the.
No, napkin. They give us a lot of napkins, which is good. Oh, you
I grabbed them. There was no napkins in there.
Of course. This is really good.
I don't taste the habanero in the bread. Maybe.
The ghost pepper?
Oh yeah, ghost pepper. Sorry, I guess it's because it's ghost pepper.
The bread's good.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, really tasty bread. Right now I'm just getting a jalapeno and sriracha taste.
Me too. A little bit of cheese.
Yeah, there was a lot of cheese in my first bite. I haven't got much cheese since. As you can see right there, there's. I don't know if you can
Tiny
see.
bit of cheese.
I can't see any cheese.
No. I could see them on mine.
Oh yeah, there it is. Double pepper jack.
Oh god, I got something like really spicy.
Maybe that's the ghost pepper. My nose is running. I don't know. I've ate like 4 jalapenos, so it could be that.
What do you think is better, this one or the regular? Just
I like this. I'm liking this better than a regular meatball.
you can see the thickness of the meatball.
Yeah. I mean, the meatballs and the marinara, I would compare with just your typical, you know, meatball stuff from Subway you've had a million times probably, but it's the other stuff.
I like the jalapenos and the pepperoni, but I'm not sure about the sriracha. It's very strong.
Mm-hmm. They did put a lot of sriracha on.
But it's really good.
Look at the jalapeno on the hill.
Ooh.
It's like the
It's
size
gonna
of
be a
my
spicy
finger.
one.
Yeah.
I think
This
I've
is
eaten
good.
like 2 jalapenos, so. But it's still really hot.
Yours?
Mm-hmm.
Mine doesn't taste too bad. I've got a real conglomerate of everything worked its way towards the top here. I got a meatball, I got a ton of cheese, a bunch of sriracha, jalapeno.
Sauce.
Yeah, thick.
It's like gonna drip.
It's like thick, man. So good.
It's really good, yeah. I'm covered in crumbs.
Mm-hmm. Save those for later.
Yeah.
All right, here goes this huge jalapeno.
They definitely have a kick to them.
Oh yeah.
Vinegary.
It was covered in sriracha too. Oh. Oh yeah.
It all came out of the back. Definitely don't eat this in your car.
Yeah, learn from us. If anything. Some stuff you can get away with, some stuff you can't.
Oh yeah, my nose is getting runny. That's
Let me look at all that sriracha.
meatball. Every time I try to bite it, it goes to the back.
Mm-hmm. Typical meatball sub, right? Oh my god.
Yeah, that's really good. What would you rate it?
Oh man. I like it a lot. I think it's been a while since I've had a meatball sub, so
Mm-hmm.
I'm really liking that I'm actually eating a meatball sub, but very messy. The sriracha maybe was a little bit just too much sriracha.
Yeah, I agree.
I'd say mine had maybe 6 jalapenos in my half, which was probably decent. Meatballs were really good. Cheese was really good.
Pepperoni.
Sauce. All that was good. I'm going to give this an 8.3 out of 10.
I give it an 8.
An 8? What else say the rest of the spread? The only thing was, I don't know if it's because everything else overpowered it or not, but I couldn't taste the ghost pepper in the bread.
Yeah.
Not really getting any ghost peppery vibes. Did you want to finish, Richard, or did you want to wrap it up?
I'm gonna put it in there.
Okay. Overall good. Okay, so this was $11. I forgot to say the price. So it's a little pricey for a footlong for sure, but I'd say it's worth it still. Especially if you're gonna share it.
Yeah.
If one person ate this whole thing, You're gonna probably,
Feel it.
yeah, you're gonna be feeling it. You wanna try
Another
that one?
bit. Yeah,
overall-
overall really good.
Yeah, I'll have to give that a thumbs up from Subway. Pretty impressed. I know the last couple subs we've done, the last couple Subway videos we've done haven't been great. That one was pretty good.
That one was really good.
Yeah,
Spicy, definitely spicy.
I check it out. Yeah, it's spicier than a lot of stuff that's supposedly spicy.
Yeah, I have crumbs everywhere. I have to shake myself out.
All right, like, subscribe. Thanks everybody that's new to the channel.
Thank you guys.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.